Okay, everyone. I just wanted to show you my Dollar Tree with a few other items Thanksgiving table. Um, so these plates have actually been in my family for a long while. So not the top plate, but the chargers are from the Dollar Tree. So only $1 for that. And then I got these cute little cards that say thankful for from Target, but they were only $1. So I'll put the guest's name on who's sitting where at the table. And then these bouquets that I made are from the Dollar Tree as well. So they're really easy, and I think they look pretty great for, again, being from the Dollar Tree. So this ribbon right here I just tied into a huge bow. So this one was $1, and then this leaf one was $1 underneath. I just double bowed it. And then all of these flowers are from the Dollar Tree. So these hints of sparkle of gold are really nice in there. And then along with these like red and gold ones too, like hanging out the top, they're just make it really pretty. And then all of these flowers, I just kind of bunched them together. And yeah, I think they came out pretty good. The white vases I had, which you can get from TJ Maxx, and honestly, I just have two main white porcelain vases that I use each year for each holiday, and I just switch out the floral colors and the bows. Pardon me. And then these candles are from the Dollar Tree, and then this little candelabra that holds it is from Target. I'm trying to like point at it. But it was only $3. And then these were from the Dollar Tree, which I thought were very festive for Thanksgiving. Just these little leaf tea light candle holders, and they come in different colors. Those were only $1 as well. And then this sign, which I thought is just so nice for Thanksgiving on your table, was from Target, but it was only $3. So again, I think you can really just dress up your table so nice for Thanksgiving, for your Thanksgiving dinner, in an affordable way. So comment below and let me know if your Thanksgiving table is ready and you are ready to celebrate with family. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.